Hello to all you good people. You're watching Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. And here are the headlines. Bitcoin rebounds past $20,000. Ether soars above $1,100. Babel Finance reaches debt agreement with Counterparties after withdrawal freeze. Solend invalidates Solana whale wallet takeover plan. Celsius recovery plan proposed amid community-led short squeeze attempt. FTX CEO blames US Federal Reserve for the crypto downfall. Meta launches digital designer clothing store for avatars in the Metaverse. El Salvador's president urges Bitcoin investors to be patient. Snoop Dogg files for new NFT and Metaverse trademark applications. Now let's look at today's top trending stories in details. European benchmarks were higher on Monday after most Asian markets retreated, while the price of Bitcoin hovered near $20,000. Two of the world's three biggest economies, China and Japan, are not engaged in raising interest rates, unlike the US Federal Reserve and central banks in many other countries. US markets are closed on Monday for the Juneteenth holiday. Asian and European markets have drifted mostly higher. Oil's sell-off continues as fears of a recession meet a slight improvement in the supply outlook. CryptoWire's IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was up almost 7% to trade at 27,215 points. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, was trading around $20,500, up by over 5% in the last 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was trading around $1,130, up by almost 9% in the similar time frame. The global crypto market cap was around $902.89 billion, up by over 5% in the last 24 hours. Now moving on to our next big story, Hong Kong-based crypto lender Babel Finance has reached preliminary agreements with counterparties on the repayment of some debts that led to the platform halting large withdrawals last week, according to an official update on Monday morning on the company's website. On Friday, Babel imposed a $1,500 per month withdrawal limit, citing unusual liquidity pressures. Now, following an emergency assessment of operations, the company said short-term liquidity pressures have eased. At the end of 2021, Babel Finance had an outstanding loan balance of over $3 billion, up from $2 billion the previous February. The company just last month raised $80 million in a Series B last month at a valuation of $2 billion. Solend, a Solana-based decentralized finance or DeFi lending protocol, has created another governance vote to invalidate the recently approved proposal that gives Solend Labs emergency powers to access a whale's wallet to avoid liquidation. On Sunday, the crypto lending platform launched a governance vote titled SLND1, Mitigate Risk from Whale. This allows Solend to reduce the risk that the whale's liquidation poses to the market by letting the lending platform access the whale's wallet and letting the liquidations happen over the counter. As the community condemned the move, calling it the opposite of what DeFi should be and outright illegal, the Solend team initiated a second governance proposal vote to invalidate the previously approved proposal. The proposal ended with 1,480,264 votes in favor of disregarding the SLND1 proposal. The new proposal nullifies the previous vote and forces Solend to find another solution that does not involve forcibly taking over an account. It also shortens the governance voting period to 1 day. Moving on to our next big story, Celsius's lead investor, Bank to the Future, and its co-founder, Simon Dixon, has offered to assist the network by deploying similar financial innovation used in 2016 to save cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex from liquidation. Although the statement from Dixon on Saturday did not include specific details of the recovery plan offered to Celsius's board and CEO, Alex Mahinsky, Dixon noted that it would be similar to one offered to Bitfinex after its hack in August 2016, which he claims was resolved within 9 months. Dixon stated that as a Celsius shareholder and lender, and due to the short-term systemic impact on those that own Bitcoin, he was keen to support Celsius with a recovery plan. Bank to the Future is a global online investment platform that allows investors to invest in financial technology companies, funds, and other new alternative financial products. CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, said that the US Federal Reserve is the core driver of the ongoing crash of cryptocurrencies. The Federal Reserve approved the 0.75 percentage point rate rise, the largest interest rate hike since 1994, in order to slow the economy and combat the 40-year high inflation. The head of the largest crypto exchange blamed this Federal Reserve rate hike for the crypto market slump, claiming that the markets and even the people with money are scared. The global crypto market has fallen 70% to under $900 billion from November peak of $2.97 trillion. However, Bankman-Fried appreciated the central bank's effort in fighting inflation and claimed the Fed is caught between a rock and a hard place. Bankman-Fried assured FTX won't be laying off employees, unlike other crypto exchanges. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg's announcement today that the company is launching Meta Avatar Store, a digital designer clothing store. The store will allow users to buy digital clothes for their digital avatars. The Meta Avatar Store will be launched next week on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, but Meta's VR platform would receive the update later. Initially, this feature would be available only in the United States, Canada, Thailand, and Mexico. Balenciaga, Prada, and Thom Browne digital outfits would be available in the store next week. Zuckerberg, during his Instagram Live, assured that more brands would join in soon. Mark Zuckerberg confirmed that the future plan is to turn Meta Avatar Store into an open marketplace where people can design, create, and sell clothing. El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele took to Twitter to reassure cryptocurrency investors that things may not be as bad as they appear. He advised people to ignore the charts and enjoy life. The remark came as Bitcoin prices fell to an 18-month low just under $18,000 over the weekend. He further added that if someone has invested in Bitcoin, the investment is safe and that BTC's value will immensely grow after the bear market. The current value of El Salvador's 2,301 Bitcoins is $46 million, down 56.4% from the purchase price, which totals $105.6 million. The dollar cost average is currently at $45,908 per BTC, more than double its current price. El Salvador's finance minister, Alejandro Zelaya, also dismissed concerns that the crypto market crash has damaged the country's economy. Well, that's all for the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching your favorite channel, Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.